Tons of milk boil in giant cauldrons, evaporate, and only a thick, creamy, and sweet liquid remains. This is how condensed milk was born, but don't think of it as boiling in a pot for hours. Here, giant machines create miracles in seconds. The milk that arrives at the factory flows into the steel giants. First stop, giant separators. These machines separate the excess water in the milk in milliseconds. This system, which processes hundreds of liters of milk per minute, is like a time machine. This process, which would normally take hours, happens in the blink of an eye here. Imagine, fresh milk flowing rapidly through giant steel pipes is suddenly met with boiling steam. Excess water disappears, and only a thick, silky, and pure liquid remains. Here is the incredible manufacturing journey of evaporated milk. In the factory, high-tech separator machines separate the layers of fat and water in seconds. Everything starts with the arrival of fresh milk in huge tankers at the factory. However, there are no classical methods such as boiling, storing, or cooling the milk. In the factory, high-tech separator machines separate the water and fats in the milk and prepare it for the drying process. Hard and dry cocoa beans are crushed, ground in giant machines, and finally turned into a fluid, smooth chocolate river. Here is the incredible chocolate production process in factories. The roasted beans coming out of the oven are crushed between giant steel cylinders and become liquid. This is where the first state of chocolate, shining like liquid gold, emerges. The liquid chocolate is poured into molds by high-precision machines, then hardens by passing through giant cooling tunnels. Now those delicious chocolate bars are ready. Specially designed giant cylinders grip and squeeze the fruits like a metal claw. With a single movement, all the juice of the fruit is extracted, leaving the peel and pulp behind. Orange, apple, pineapple. These machines can instantly squeeze all kinds of fruits and process them super fast. Fresh fruits arrive at the factory in truckloads. In a few minutes, they are peeled, squeezed, filtered, and bottled. Imagine tons of flour, water, and yeast, kneaded in giant mixers in seconds. Perfect doughs are shaped, and then hundreds of loaves are golden brown in the ovens. Here is the incredible production process of the bread factories in Michigan. The dough is separated into equal sizes by passing through large rollers. The cutting, rolling, and shaping process is so fast that it is even difficult to follow with the eye. Every piece of dough is in perfect shape, of equal weight, and smooth surface. Even human hands cannot be this fast. Giant metal blades or special steam technology peels the skins off fruits in milliseconds. From orange to peach, pineapple to pear, there is a special peeling technique for each fruit. Cans are filled at a speed of thousands per hour. Then vacuum capping systems come into play and completely expel the air. In this way, canned fruits can maintain their freshness for years. Here is a handful of fresh tea leaves, and in a few hours, these leaves become packaged, fragrant tea. So how does this happen? Tea leaves lose their moisture in seconds in special drying systems. Even the slightest mistake here can ruin the flavor, so the machines work with millimeter precision. Hundreds of tea packages are sealed, labeled, and sent on their way to the shelves every minute. When you watch this, your perspective on wafers will change completely. Giant machines work with millimeter precision and put on an incredible show to produce flawless chocolate wafers. In the first stage, high-speed dough mixers come into play. Flour, sugar, and special ingredients are brought to perfect consistency in giant steel mixers in seconds. Then, this dough is separated into ultra-thin sheets and passed through giant ovens to turn into flawless, crispy wafer sheets. What do you think this creamy flavor goes through before it reaches your spoon? Tons of rice are boiled in giant cauldrons to reach the perfect consistency, while milk and sugar are added through giant pipes, and the mixture is constantly mixed. High-speed cooking systems keep the consistency of the pudding just right, while cooling tunnels quickly prepare it for packaging. Laser-cut filling machines fill and seal bowls in perfect portions, and thousands of rice puddings are ready for shipment in minutes.